The Mombasa County government today ordered a stop on all construction works of the 1.8 billion shilling Kenya Maritime Authority headquarters, claiming the contractor had flouted regulations and failed to compensate residents. 40 people residing in a house near the site have been forced to sleep out in the cold. That's for about 7 days, saying that excavations by the contractor have weakened their houses by causing cracks and that the perimeter wall collapsed as a result. The tenants claim that their complaints to the contractor have not been acted upon. County Secretary Francis Thoyer met the orders today when he visited the site, accompanied by elected Mombasa leaders, saying that works will only resume if compensation is sorted and a proper assessment of the buildings is made. The contractor, however, denied floating any regulations, saying that talks for compensation are ongoing. Transport Cabinet Secretary, that's James Macharia, led the groundbreaking for the 13-story complex in February to enable Kenya to move from a leased building.
Mchanga vile ulivyo upande wa kwetu ni ule mchanga wa maji ambao wa kuporomoka. So wanavyozidi kuchimba sasa, ile la kule na kuko wiki kunazidi ku cave in.
Ujenzi ambao uko hapa utasimama kwanza kila kitu, na nikisema ujenzi namaanisha kwamba hata hizi excavation work ambazo zinaendelea zitasimama.
No. We don't have any orders to stop or hold. The orders that we have is not even an order, a suggestion or an advice. Kindly let these people move to a safer place where they're comfortable, then you can move on with your work.